Chapter 9, Money. Students, we all go to market, isn't it? And we go to market to buy things. And to buy the things, what we required? Yes, we required money. These are coins and these are notes. Indian currency. Indian currency is known as rupees. It comes in the form of coins and notes. As we have seen right now, coins and notes. So here are some different coins and these are notes in our Indian currency. Here, first is 25 paisa. Nowadays, we hardly see this 25 paisa and similarly this 50 paisa also. Next, we have 1 rupee. This is 1 rupee coin. Want to see? See, this is 1 rupee coin. You can see here, this is 2 rupee and here we have 2 rupee coin as well. This is 2 rupee coin. Next we have 5 rupee coin. This is 5 rupee coin and it looks like this. Next we have 10 rupee coin. So this is the 10 rupee coin and it looks like this. Now we have notes. These were the coins. Now we have notes. This is 5 rupee note. You all must have seen that. And then we have a 10 rupee note. So here we have 10 rupee note with us. So this is how it looks like. Next we have 20 rupee note. And this one the old note. Nowadays you can see a new currency and that is of yellow color. This is 50 rupee note. We are having a 50 rupee note with us. So it looks like this. It is of blue color. Next we have 100 rupee note. So 100 rupee note looks like this of purple color. Next we have 200 note. Students, earlier there were no 200 rupee note. But now in this new currency we have this 200 rupee note and it looks like this. Next we have 500 rupee note. So here this is a 500 rupee note and it looks like this. Okay, students, earlier we have 1000 rupee note. एक हमारे पास 1000 का नोट हुआ करता था. But now what happened after the demonetization? What happened? This 2000 rupee note came and that 1000 rupee note is not there. पहले वो 1000 रुपीज का नोट था लेकिन अब मार्केट में आप जाओगे तो आपको 1000 रुपीज का नोट नहीं मिलेगा. Now what happened? This 2000 rupee note came in place of 1000 rupee note. So this is how 2000 rupee note look like. It is of pink color. Student, the way Indian currency is there, similarly we have different currencies in other countries as well. Here there are some examples given. USA has a currency that is dollar. India ki currency was rupees. Similarly, USA ki currency is dollar and the symbol of the dollar is this. And the symbol of rupees is this. UK, what is the currency of UK? Yes, pound is the currency of UK and the symbol of pound is this. What is the currency of China? China's currency is yuan and the symbol of their currency is this. Currency of Bangladesh is taka and the symbol of the Bangladesh currency is this. What is the currency of Russia? Ruble and the symbol of ruble is this. So students, these are the different currencies in other countries and the currency of India is rupees and the symbol is this. Students, till now we have seen different notes and the coins. Now let us know that how to buy things with the help of 100 rupee note. For example, I have 100 rupees note and I have to buy 1 chocolate, 2 toffees and 3 ice cream. And the price of these one chocolate is 10 rupees each. One toffee is of 5 rupees. Then two toffees will be of each. And two toffees will be of, yes, two toffees will be of 2 into 5 will be, yes, rupees 10. Similarly, ice cream. One ice cream is of 20 rupees. Okay, one ice cream is of 20 rupees each, and we have to find out the price of 3 ice creams. Okay, so what will be the price of 3 ice creams? How we will come to know? Yes, we will multiply this 3 with 20, so we will get our answer, that is 60. So that means 3 ice cream will be of 60 rupees, 2 toffees will be of 10 rupees, and 1 chocolate is of 10 rupees. Now students, I have this 100 rupees note. I am going to a market. I have given this 100 rupee note to one shopkeeper, and what happened? He will deduct this 10 and this 60. Now let us count that how much it will become. 10 plus 10 will be 20, and 20 plus 60 will be, yes, 20 plus 60 will be 80. So now what will happen? The shopkeeper will deduct 80 rupees from this 100. Now I have given this 100 rupee note to shopkeeper, and he will deduct 80 rupees. When we will subtract this 80 from 100, how much money will be left? Yes, 20 rupees. Now the shopkeeper has given me 20 rupees. 10 plus 10, 20 rupees. So I have got 20 rupees, and shopkeeper has got 100 rupee. And also I have got these 1 chocolate, 2 toffees, and 3 ice cream. So this is how we purchase things, we buy things with money.
That's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.